your niece threw up on me. You know that I'm outside with no clothes on. Dude, you about to die.
But I don't want to hit this shit no more.